It looks deceptively good.
Deceptively good.
All the holes feel deceptively good. Every comment's like 8+, 8+, 8+.
Deceptively is keyword.
Although I gotta say, but vinegar liquid chalk is where it's at.
Oh, now we got the cuffs going, folks. Phenomena. Phenomena. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Maybe like right here.
Yeah. A little higher up on it, maybe. Ooh, whiff.
Oh yeah. Whew. That's pretty good.
Pheylan. Pheylan.
Ready? It's a solid throw into the bush.
Folks, here to see me outdo Pheylan since he outdid me on the board video. Left hand. You guys ready to see me do this first try? We all saw that. First try. Oh wow, this looks hella nice. Just rotate your... Hold on. I got up. Alright, I'm rolling. Super slow-mo. Give me that dust. Do some brushing. Embrace. Just felt sweaty. Sweaty. There you go. Oh. Work the feet. Yeah. You okay? Mm-hmm. It's like a fucking mime. Got him moving. 40 cent. Nice film. Yep. Nice and controlled. Farther back, 1 more inch. There. Bump harder into it to jug. There you go. There you go, Pheylan. Yep, nice and easy. Alright, well, something happened.
Dude, I can't
Here, show me that one more time. I
can't believe how close I was every one of those tries.
Looks barn doory.
Nice. Good. Come on. Come on. Yes! Nice.
Come here, huh?